Okay, so we are now on example number 12. We are given here an electric furnace operating at 110 volts. So obviously this is our voltage, which requires 3 HP. Take note, class, that HP or horsepower is a unit of power. Now we are to calculate the current passing through and the resistance of the furnace. Okay, so we have two unknowns, which is the current and the resistance. Okay, so let us first solve for the current. So take note, we are given power and voltage, but this power class, which is in HP, should be converted first to our watts, because HP class is used for mechanical power or in motors. So in our formula, which is power is equal to V times I, which is volt times ampere. Okay, so this is the unit is in watts. Okay, so therefore we have to convert first the HP into our watts. So recall that in 1 HP there are 746 watts. Okay, so using your calculator, so we have 746 3 times 746 there. So that is 2238. So 2238, and the unit is in watts. Okay, so using this formula, so to solve for the current, so simply divide power by your voltage. So substituting 2238 watts over your voltage, which is 110 volts. So from here, the current is 2238 divided by 110. So we have 20.345, and the unit of course is in amperes. Okay, so this is already the answer. Now for the resistance, so still we will be using the formula of power. So recall that if our given is voltage and we are required for the resistance, so we can use the formula V squared all over R. Okay, the question, ma'am, can I use the voltage times current? Yes, you can, but take note that the I here, class, is a solved quantity, which means that if you make if you made a mistake here, or maybe your solution here is wrong, so your solution for the second quantity, which is the resistance, will also be wrong or will be affected. It's because you have used a solved quantity, unlike if you will use a given value, which is 110 and this power. Okay, so you will be sure of it. Okay, so yes, you can, but like we've said, there's a possibility that your value using here will be or might be wrong, so your second answer will be affected. Okay, so we will be using this formula to be safe because the voltage here is given. Now to solve for the resistance, so we will cross multiply this, so we'll have P times R V squared. So R is simply V squared all over P. So substituting, we have 110 volts squared all over your power, which is 2238 watts. Okay, so from that we have 110 squared over 2238 there. So that will be 5.407, and the unit of course is what? The unit is in ohms. Okay, so that's the solution for example number 12.